In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your camera on Discord. So sometimes it could be really helpful if you use it to communicate with others. So all we need is just to open our Discord and then just log in. By the way, it works for Windows and Mac, so this tutorial will be helpful for both platforms. After that, all we need is just to go to settings. So in the button or the app near your avatar and nickname, just find the user settings button and then just click on it. And here in our settings, in the left side menu, scroll down to find the app settings and then go to voice and video. So click on it and then just scroll down to find the camera settings. So if you'll click on this toggle list, we can see all available cameras which are connected to our device. For example, now I have only one camera, FaceTime HD camera, so let's choose it. So you can also click on test and then just test it. So this is a way how you can change your camera on Discord. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. Goodbye.